हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज अश्विन। तो आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं कुछ अमेजिंग हैकाथॉन्स की, कुछ अमेजिंग चैलेंजेस की, कुछ अमेजिंग हायरिंग अपडेट्स की। तो डू स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट 3 अमेजिंग थिंग्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर video. So the first thing is we'll be discussing a hackathon by DataStax. So it's a very amazing hackathon with prizes worth rupees $26,000, and like there are various categories of prizes like top 30, like the first 30 people to submit something will get $100 and a lot of other prizes. We'll discuss in detail. The second opportunity is product management by Upraise. So they are having a lot of internship opportunities into product management at companies like Paytm, Unacademy and so on. So we'll discuss about this as well and how you can apply for this for free. They'll provide you mentorship and they'll get you an internship that can have a stipend worth rupees 70,000. So that is second thing. The third thing that we're going to discuss is a campus challenge by Sprinklr. So these 3 updates we are going to discuss in this today's video. So do watch this video till the end to get complete insights into this particular hiring challenges and hackathons. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe this channel for such amazing content that we are bringing up. So there is a small message for you all from Relevel. Relevel is a platform by Unacademy. If you are looking forward to earn money in crores in the next coming year, so what can be the different plans or different things that you can pursue? Firstly, you can make a geographical shift and you can move to another country to get the similar kind of package. When you come back to the company, that package will be in crores. Second thing is you can work in a product-based company, and the growth phase in a product-based company is such that within some years, like within 3 to 4 years, you can reach that amount. Or like how to apply for those product-based companies, you can go to careers portal, you can go to different other sites or different other platforms like LinkedIn and so. The second option is you can take skill tests by platforms like Relevel. So Relevel is a platform that has skill tests that is not based upon your resume, not based upon your college tier, but you can just apply for the same by taking a test. If you are skilled, you will get interview calls by different companies. Different startups are hiring on Relevel. So definitely it's a must. Go ahead and check out this amazing platform. They have a subscription cost of the test worth rupees 2,000. You can use my code, you will get a 10% discount on the same. So if you wish to purchase, you can. So let's move on to the video. तो यार बात करने वाले कुछ अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज की। तो फर्स्ट दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट वाज हैकाथॉन बाय DataStax. तो इफ यू आर इन योर फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फाइनल ईयर, मतलब किसी भी ईयर के लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। इट्स समथिंग दैट इज रियली वेरी मतलब यूनिक। मतलब यू कैन सी द प्राइजेज आर वर्थ रुपीज $26,000, 14 prizes and 40 hours of hacking. It is something new, like you will be working upon a new database that is known as Astra database, and there is no particular theme. Like you can choose any of your projects, उसमें बस Astra database you have to integrate and it's done. So you can see prizes, grand prize of $5,000. First runner up will be getting $3,000. Second runner up will be getting $2,000 and an auto placement in their incubator program. Apart from that, most innovative project, most impactful project, top 6 projects will be getting $500. Quality submissions, मतलब first 30 qualities projects submitted will be getting $100. So if you are applying it in the very first and submitting your project, so there are chances that you can get $100 for free, and $100 value is close to 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. That's something really cool. Also, one person will be getting a swag box by them, and some other prizes that they have. You can check on this as well. So yeah, this is basically what Astra DB and DataStax hackathon is. So definitely it is a good thing. You'll have some unique project on your resume if you're using this. Like you can pitch in front of the interviewer also that you have worked upon so and so thing, and that will make you stand out from others, right, during the interview. Definitely go ahead and check out. I'll give the link in the description to this as well. And yeah. So the next thing is Sprinklr. Sprinklr is hiring through its campus hiring program that is known as Campus Hiring Challenge. Currently it's open to 2021 and 2022 graduates with a minimum CGPA of 7.5, and they have particularly written tier 1 college graduates. So do check if your college falls in tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3, then apply for the same. Challenge will be same, 3 basic programming questions, 15 MCQs, and generally it offers a package of 27 to 28 lakhs per annum, and out of which 24 lakhs is base. So it is offering an amazing package. Definitely you should go ahead and check out this as well. The third thing is something known as it's related to product management. So if you're not very good at coding, or if you want to switch field, or if you want a field in which your leadership skills will be at the top, or how you communicate your ideas, how you think, like if you have a product mindset, if you have a growth mindset, so this can be something cool for you. And yeah, for this basically there's a company named as Upraise, so they are organizing this particular program for which you have to register. It's totally free, there's nothing such. They'll conduct their skill assessment test. Like if you perform well in that skill assessment test, they'll shortlist you, and after that they'll train you for 6 weeks. So everything is free, there is no charge, no hidden charge, no charge after the internship or so. They'll train you for 6 weeks, and after that, so that after this 6 weeks training you can get an internship opportunity at one of the great startups that they have in line. Like they have Razorpay, Zupi, MX Player, 1mg, Treebo, Paytm, and various other startups have been collaborating with them for giving internships, and the stipend ranges from 15,000 to 70,000 per month. And after, if you perform well in the internship, you can get a full-time offer also for the role of product manager or a product analyst in these companies. So it is something that is that looks amazing. So definitely you should give it a try if you want to switch field, or if you want to try upon product management. You can be from second year, like you can be from batch of 2023 or 2022. Both of them are eligible to apply, and the companies which are currently hiring with them are Expedia, Razorpay, MX Player, MPL, Zupi, Pepper Content, Jupiter, 1mg, and Plaza. Right, so there's no fee, totally it's free of cost. Eligibility is 2022 and 2023 grads, and there's no CGPA or nothing else is required. I've give the link to this also in the description. Please go ahead and check out and do apply if you are eligible. Thanking you once again for your love and support, and don't forget to press the like button if you like this video, and for any other queries do ping in the comment box. Thank you so much. I hope you people like this amazing video. For more such amazing content, don't forget to subscribe this channel, share it to the friends, and do like this video.